All right, what up, people? Time to teach you. Time to teach you. Time to teach you. All right, so let's look at these charts together. All right, so as you guys can see right here, during the Asian session, we just closed it out and we was able to get our money in and out quick. It was quick. Quick. All right, so here's what happened. But on serious note, because this is actually very serious, I'm going to show you what happened and then I'm going to explain the problem. So please pay attention. Here we go. So in gold, it broke above our barrier. And I told them that I did an analysis and I told them I love when the markets are in an uptrend. Okay, as you can see, it's in an uptrend. Then it comes to the side in a slant pattern like this, or consolidatory pattern. Consolidatory, see me trying to use big words. It goes into a consolidatory pattern and it hung right here. And pay attention to what I'm going to tell you. It's vitally important because as I go through the other pairs, you're going to be in shock on what you're about to see. So this one hung there for a little while, just meandering. And I told them, hey, I'm going to move my stop right below the previous low, which was right here. You can see the little wick on this candle. I said, move my stop right here. And then when it moved up a little bit in our favor, I said, yeah, that's cool, but I'm still going to hold mine until it hit the TP because I said, something ain't right with this market. And watch what I'm about to show you. I promise you, you're going to be happy you're listening. So I told him the last time the market acted shady like this, something big happened. Now, it did shoot and not only hit our TP, but as you can see, it clearly blasted through it. Why is all this important? Let's go to the other pairs. Here we go. Y'all see this? This is not normal. And the last time something like this happened, we were literally trading during the Asian session together as a family, okay, as our Futrix family. And when this happened, I told them I started checking for news. So I went on here to, myfxbook.com and all these other places and tried to find out, okay, what just happened? No news was out yet, okay? Watch this. Watch, because you're about to learn something important. Behaviorally, I understand that when something like this happened, that ain't good. So I'm going to go through every single one of these pairs and watch. And I'm going to tell you, the last time something like this happened, we were trading in class. And this happened. And come to find out, that was when Israel had launched a war against Iran. Literally during class. And we witnessed it right here. So this is why when you trade in the markets, you get information before the general public because we seeing it live in action. We know some world event just happened. Even if we don't know exactly what it is, we do know something big just happened in the world. Watch this. That's ES, which is the S&P 500. This is I call it YAM, which is the YM or the US 30. Here is the NASDAQ, selling off like nobody's business. Gold actually goes in reverse. Anytime the entire market is selling off, and I'm not done, I got more to show you. Anytime the entire market is selling off, guys, don't ever forget this. Gold will shoot through the moon. This is why gold is hard to trade for many people. A lot of you guys love trading gold and you find it very difficult. Why? It's an emotional currency. When people need safety, when their money is at risk and they're in fear of what's going on in the world, they will instantly flip their money from the stock market into gold. And when the market is doing extremely well, they'll get rid of gold and jump right back into the markets. Now, watch this. So, ES dumped, YM dumped, MQ dumped, 6A, which is the Australian dollar, dumped, 6N, New Zealand dollar, dumped. And some of these we got in them, but they hit our take profit in seconds. Like in 3 seconds. By the time we hopped in it, it was already done. Okay, here we go. This is British pound, 6J, Japanese yen, 6S, Swiss franc, 6E, euro. Look at the Canadian dollar, scream and holler. It dropped like a rock. And all of these dropped, and look what happened. The only one that went up was who? Gold. The only one that goes up is gold. It's an emotional currency. You show emotional. That is what's going on. It's an emotional currency. Anytime the market is selling off, you instantly want to hop over to gold because it's going to go into a buy. Watch this. And this is a little small account on the currency market that I'm flipping. Okay, I started with 200 bucks the other day, and I'm already up 522. Okay, and I'm gonna show you some trades on the currency markets. Okay, and I only took 3 trades, and I'm trying to do it on the daily time frame just to play around with it. All right, and let me show you this. All right, so first of all, this is gold in action as we speak, and I'm gonna step out to a higher time frame. As you can see right here, this is gold, and you can see when the stock market was hitting all-time highs, look at what was happening. Gold was on a downtrend, okay? But now all of a sudden, there's a problem in the world, and what do you see happening right here? Now you see gold is where? Rising up to the occasion. And I marked this off, and I told my team that it's probably going to test this level first if it's going to stop. Now, let's go over to the other pairs. See, when they were heading up, gold was heading down. Look at this. This is the NAS. You see that? When it was heading up, look at gold. Let's go to that again. Heading down. They work in the opposite direction, family. Don't ever forget that. They work in the opposite direction. Okay? Now, let me go to the pairs that I'm in on my little play account. Okay? My little flipper. You can see, okay, I'm up 3 pips on this one, and that's on the USD Swiss. I'm up 133 pips. Hold on. Let me bring it over so you can